Today what I'm gonna tell you is just gonna be massive. It's gonna be so much exciting that you're gonna be loving it. Today in this video we are gonna be talking about some of the no face channels that you can start without showing your face, and some without even talking to the camera, that is without using your voice or face, any of that. So the first channel that I'm going to talk to you about is animation niche. Onto the animation niche, I am going to show you 3 channels that's going to be super interesting and that will be helping you up so that you get inspired and you can learn more on that. The first channel on animation niche is Share My Story. So this channel is a channel that is having 2.47 million subscribers, and you can see that they are making simple animation videos and you can start doing that. I have given a link in the description of an app or a software that you can use to make similar kind of videos like this. And not just that, you can make simple videos like my evil stepmom, my DNA test destroyed my family, I took revenge on my teacher, and you can actually use all of this by using a app or a software that is also known as Kapwing, and you can use something like that. And I've given a link in the description, a special tool that you can also use, and then you can actually do the voiceover. You can hire someone or you can make a script like this, and you can use artificial intelligence to get monetized and to make a channel onto this animation niche. So if we go on to the next channel, that's known as MSA now, but previously it was known as My Story Animated. It was quite a big channel. It is in fact a big channel. It's having 8.57 million subscribers, and not just that, this channel is producing same kind of content. For example, my brother tricked all my girlfriends to break up with me. No one knew I am the prettiest girl until and all that I discovered my boyfriend is fake. Mom never lets me cry. I am allergic to tears. And you can see onto the social stats. I'm going to go on to Social Blade, and you can easily see that this kind of channel is getting quite a good amount of view. The third channel is Story Booth, and you can see it's a channel that's similarly doing that. My best friend stole my crush on Halloween, and you can see that all the new stories are coming. And not just that, this channel is making, Story Booth is making videos similar of like that of MSA and Share My Story. So they are making animation or animated content, and they're telling stories, and people are actually loving this. And you do not need to show your face, or you do not need to put in your voice in front of a microphone. Then you need not required to record, and you can actually make a channel out of it. And you can see whenever you go onto the stats, as I promised you, we are going to go onto Social Blade, and you can see this channel is having 8.57 million subscribers, and they have uploaded 709 videos up till now. And not just that, this channel is making almost 500 to 600k every single month, and it's having a revenue of 6 to 7 million every single year, and that's pretty good. And you can see this channel is growing day by day, because this is a niche that people are really interested, because of only simple one fact, that is people like stories, and they are doing the same thing, and they are giving it in a format that are really engaging, and you can do it too. The next niche that we're going to be talking about is gaming niche, and I know that many of you are really interested in that, because I am myself an avid lover of games. Not just that, you can actually make a great career out of it, and you can make a channel on YouTube without showing your face. I'm like, what? You do not need to play games, or if you are someone who doesn't like playing games or doesn't like to be in front of camera, you can actually do that. Now, how you can do it? It's pretty simple. I'm going to show you step by step how you can actually do it. Now, the first thing that is, I'm going to show you 3 channels on the gaming niche. So the first channel that we're going to be talking about is known as Top 5 Gaming. So this is a top 5 onto the top 5 niche, and they have amalgamated it onto a gaming niche. And you can see they're making videos like 50 secrets in Fortnite chapter 3, 15 secrets, Fortnite myths busted, and you can see they have uploaded like Fortnite Winterfest update. And not just that, they have done like 20 secrets you missed in Fortnite chapter 3 event, and 15 Fortnite chapter 3 20 things only Fortnite noobs do. Another channel that is known as Top 10 Gaming. They are also uploading like top 10 scary FNF security breaches, top things we should not know, and we can all see all of these videos, and they are doing onto this gaming niche. And the next channel that I'm going to talk to you is known as Bansley, and this is a channel that is almost about Fortnite right now, as we can see, because all of the videos they're uploading are about Fortnite. 30 most hated Fortnite skins, weightiest on, you can see the Fortnite 29 Fortnite questions you can't answer, what your Fortnite skin says of you, what Fortnite pros that made skins try hard, 29 Fortnite features everyone hates. All of this is on gaming niche. You can do it, and I'm going to show you something that is for top 5 gaming. You can see they have uploaded 822 videos up till now, and they have got 5 million subscribers, and this channel is making almost 100 to 150k every single month. That's almost, if we assume that it's making almost, that comes around $2 million every single year. So you can actually do something like that, and you can see the views are 52 million onto the last 30 days, and it's 17% higher. And every single day, if we go down up here, we can see a daily average of almost 1.7 million views every single day. And not just that, they are generating almost 30 to 40k onto the highest side every single week. And not just that, they are making almost 3 to 4k up to the higher side of 7k every that's $7,000 every single day, and it's pretty great. The next niche that I'm going to be talking about is education niche, and I can bet on that you might have seen videos that are super interesting. As example, why the beautiful things that we see are of different colors. Do you want to know something like that and all that? For example, like the impossible science of flavors. You want to know something. Who officially decides what time it is? People want to know and want to get educated. So this education niche is a very big niche, and you can see example channels like Half as Interesting are making videos onto this niche, and they upload every Thursday and on half of Tuesdays. The channel is known as Wendover Productions, and they upload videos, really great videos. For example, the art market is a scam, the incredible logistics of the Tokyo Olympics. All these topics are being covered by them. And you can see another channel, that example channel, that is Real Life Loan, and it is a great channel, by the way. For example, the insane transportation of a 17-ton magnet. And whenever we go on to Social Blades, we will be able to see that this channel is uploaded in about 260 uploads or videos up till now. They have got 5 million views, and not just that, they are getting almost 100k every single month, and they're making almost $1 million every single year with the help of this channel onto the higher side. And not just that, if not hundreds, millions, and you can do it like this. Make videos from YouTube, and then you need to compile it in a way so that it will be a transformative video, and then you need to put in a voiceover on top of that so that it becomes a original artwork, and you can actually upload it on YouTube, and then you can monetize with the help of YouTube partner program. Whenever you do that, you will be able to monetize the whole thing really easily. For example, what happens is that whenever you think of making a video, you simply take and download a video, and if you upload it onto your own channel, it's not transformative. It's actually violating all the rules that are being that's being given by YouTube and the policies that they have given. So do you want to do that, or you want to make it transformative? That's the right way. If you want to do it, you need to follow some proper structures, some systems and processes that should be made so that you can actually then automate the whole thing. And basically, you do not need to do any single thing. Isn't that simple? Isn't that crazy? Isn't that easy? So now what you need to do is you need to go on to Wendover Productions. You can choose whatever topic you want. You can go on to Half as Interesting and you can choose whatever topic you want. You can take inspiration from all of the 3 channels and then you can upload your own real content. That's going to be a 4th channel that I am myself going to be promoting like this, so that if you are really having that zeal, if you have that energy within you, and if you are the person who understands that how you can actually make videos like this and you can do it by without showing your face or voice, and you will be actually having a channel like this, it will be great. By the way, the next niche that I'm going to talk to you about is on aviation niche or the planes niche. For example, here is an example channel that is known as DJ's Aviation, and you can see they are making videos like frustrating Airbus news, Boeing secures new order, huge contest news. You can see Boeing's next aircraft, Airbus big new order, major Airbus order, massive Airbus order, massive British Airways news, and Delta, big Delta news, and all that. So they are making videos like this, and you can actually start a channel and you can see they are not even showing their face. And another example channel where you need to put in your voiceover too if you want to do it, it's known as Simple Flying. So this channel, why are whitetail aircraft? What are whitetail aircraft? You can see Delta sued by man covered in kerosene, and you can see bad news Boeing, Rolls-Royce versus General Electric, and then you can see, is the 777X bigger than the 747, and all that. Why passenger dread getting the 4S on a boarding, and you can see all of these things. Another channel that's known as Simply Aviation, I'm going to show you the social status or the social blade status that is on Simply Aviation. They have uploaded 509 videos up till now, and this is having almost 500k subscribers. This channel is simply showing you what? This channel is simply showing you the first-hand reports of 200 plus airlines. They have tasted more airplanes than anyone else. Okay, so this channel is making almost 5 to 6k with the help of this technique, and it's pretty simple. You can go on to their website or channel and then you can see what other things they are doing. Now you can see this channel is making almost 5 to 6k every single month. Not just that, it's making almost like 60 to 70 grand every single year. So you can see that this is a channel that's having a daily average of 66,000. That's people are actually interested in watching. So there are channels which are not having hundreds or tens and hundreds of views every single day, but this channel, the Simple Aviation channel, is having almost 60,000 plus views every single day, and they're generating almost $200 to $300 on an average every single day. And not just that, you can also do simple things like that. So this person is going on with a camera, going around the plane, and he is simply shooting. That's it. Do you need to do any editing skills? No, you don't need to do anything, because all the things are pretty simple. You can actually do simple editing stuff, and then you will be showing it to people. You do not need to show your face, and you can see this person is not even showing their face. What they're doing is that going with a camera and here and there, and that's it. So simple to do. The final niche that I am going to be showing you is a quiz niche, and I'm going to show you 3 channels, and I can tell you that you can do it really easily without showing your face, without recording your voice. Now how you can do it, it's pretty simple. You can see there is an example channel that's known as Mr. Test. They are doing channels and videos like this quiz will guess your age, where is your soulmate, when will you get your first kiss, how beautiful are you, your crush wants you. And you can see all these channels are getting all this. Another channel I'm going to show you, it's Brainy Monk. This channel is like, how rich were you in your past life, which Squid Game character are you, what type of vampire are you, which Loki character are you, what kind of imposter are you in Among Us. And another channel is 1 million test. And go on to the most popular section up here. You can easily see They are having 1.8 million views, and it's just 1 year ago. What's your magical name? And if we go on to oldest video, we would be able to see they have uploaded just 2 years ago, and after that every single, that's 1 year ago, from 1 year ago they are uploading. You can see how attractive are you, what's your soul element, what type of goal are you, what will you have, and all that stuff. What queen are you, what magic animal are you? And they are doing all this stuff. And this channel is, for example, Mr. Test has stopped uploading. I think they have uploaded just 2 weeks ago. That's like uploading 4 times in a month. That's just 4 times in a month. That's really that they do. That's 1 time a week. Then also channels like this are making like almost 1 to 2k every single month. Not just that, they are having a revenue of 20k onto the higher side every single year. So if you start a channel like this, you can have all of this and you can actually do that real easy. And now what you need to do is pretty simple. You need to go up here and you need to choose all of this from all of the channels that I have shown you. Which one would you try to get inspiration from, and you would like to start your own. Now you have got a plenty of options. I have showed you total almost like 15 channels up till now, and this was a part 2 of the channels that you can start without showing your face. And you have a great potential in doing things. So the first thing I'm going to share with you 3 little secrets. The first one is be consistent. The second one is have a great thumbnail, and the third one is optimize your videos properly. And then only you have a good option, a good possibility of getting things done in a real easy way. You can actually do it in a pretty easy way, and it will be so much effective, because what you simply need to do is you simply need to take videos, you need to put a voiceover, and that's it. It's so easy, right? So if you want to do something like that, you can see the results. Until you see the results, you can't believe sometimes, right? But it's okay. I'm gonna show you how you can actually get results like this, and you can actually get the best of the best without showing your face, and then you can make a channel without showing your face. It's that easy. That was all for today. See you again on another video. Thanks for watching. I hope that you have understood and got a great insight and a great depth and understanding about the whole thing. I hope that you have got a great valuable information from it. See you again on another video.